Hello and welcome to my channel. This is my MN82 Toyota Landcruiser with a few upgrades. As you can see here, it's a MN Models official licensed product. Lots of unboxings of these, lots of different videos about them. Really is a $60 to $70, depending on where you buy it, truck. It's 1/12 scale. I think it's more like 1/14 scale. Some of these accessories here that you see are printed 1/14 or 1/16 scale on my Creality printer. Some notable upgrades. We start with the front of the truck. The video is not very good here, this angle. We'll just see if we can change the angle a little bit. That's probably a little bit better. And we'll just see if we can angle that down and move some of this Lego back. Right, so most notable upgrades, first of all, here you see ARB style Summit front bumper. So what you have to do here is you keep the lights here and you cut the lower half of the model bumper off. And that gives you the ability to 3D print and mount the bumper, as well as a little underbody bash plate. I've just taken some ARB, you can just see here, some ARB logos, and I just glued those on there. Revision 1 of the bumper on my printer, not well printed, but certainly a good start. Second of all, here you will notice some monsoons that I've printed. This is just a standard monsoon for the Landcruiser, and I've used the standard, made a print of a standard rear flare. So this truck is not suspension corrected from an wheel offset perspective. So you can see there that you need to add the flare, otherwise the wheels are sticking out a little bit too far beyond the body. Not quite that realistic. Rear bar here, I have added a rear bar with some steps and used a ball. Just use a little ball there for the tow bar. Tailgate folds down, it's painted inside. Made a rear rack, so just a 6-piece rear rack. It's basically these supports, and then it's it got these 3D printed, and they just all clip together. And we've added a little gas tank there, which you can see inside there. So, and then painted this roll bar here, just painted that black to make it a bit more scale realistic. We've added some tread pros. So these are ARB style tread pros, mud treads. And then around on this side over here, just a small ARB awning, all 3D printed. And then a driver, not quite finished yet, still need to get some correct flesh colored paint, and also 3D printed. And unfortunately, due to the scale of the interior, had to chop the arms to make them fit, but at least it looks realistic. The rest of the truck overall, very good. I can pop this open here. Plans for the future: make an engine bay here, recess this battery, cut out the tray underneath here. It's just got a real simple, basic little lithium ion battery there. Cut out the tray in here and potentially drop this down a little bit lower. Suspension wise, no real changes here. The shocks, leaf springs at the rear with shock absorbers, just plastic. Add a little bit of grease to them because they're not oil filled, as per other people's unboxing and review videos. Painted them yellow, just to give them that ARB look, and took away the red springs. I didn't like the red springs. And I've added Endura super soft sticky 1-inch tires. So these are called they're all-terrain. They're made by Endura, and yeah, they're real soft, real sticky. The truck, as you can see, is still a bit bouncy. That noise you hear, there's just a battery bouncing in there. I've got no rubber in there. It is a two-piece body, so you can take it apart. I was going to cut open the doors. As you can see through the sun there, it's quite thin. I was going to cut the doors and make the doors open and close. It's got folding mirrors. And that's about it. Hey, thanks for watching. All of these files, I think, were available on Cult 3D. All available for purchase and download, and printed all on my filament printer. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.